Hello guys, welcome to Hobby Life with Felly. Welcome to another episode. So today we're going to be planting grass. Like I think it's grass. So it's very good for goats. Very good for goats. These are the ones we're going to be planting.
They have their roots.
Yes, they still have their roots. And there's always water in this side, so it will be very good to plant them here. And it's very rich for goats too. Very good for goats. Ram, sheep,
Cows.
cows. Very good.
And it grows very fast
Yeah.
and very rich with all what they need. So it's gonna have from here, the way these things grow from here, they're going to spread by themselves.
So we don't need to spread them.
Yeah, they'll spread by themselves.
They'll spread by themselves.
In the next couple of days to a week, you'll see new leaves coming out. See new leaves coming out in a few days' time.
So
Our goats are increasing, so we are also increasing their food production. And this grass-fed cattle and goats and sheep are the best.
yeah.
Ours are grass-fed. We plant the grass, they eat it. So we are getting quality meat and quality milk. So let me just clear this place and put the second one here. So
So
the soil is always wet here.
yes, it's always wet here.
And that's what grass is like. We like wet soil, especially this grass. It will grow very well here.
So you see how many grass that we want to plant it the other time. You see that we just put it in only two places because we want them to spread by themselves. So in the next couple of days or weeks now, it will start bringing out new leaves, and from there they're going to spread. So we just put it in just two places, which is this place and
This one.
yes, and that place. So yep.
Okay. Point one, point two. We'll come back in about a week to see how it's doing.
So thank you for watching up to this moment. See you in our next video. Bye.